Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I just did a video, and I've done a video like this before, I'm sure, but I was using the parallel dimension tool, and I was having to go and change the size of the font so I could read it. Well, this is just like any font. Go to your text tool, and before you click on anything, go right here, change it to 100, and tell it you want the parallel dimension tool to be 100 points. Then say okay, and then if you would save it as default, it will always be there. Well, until you hit an F8. So let's do the parallel dimension tool now. And now I have a 100-point font. I mean, that could be anything. Without anything selected, you can change your artistic text. I had that selected. So with nothing selected, get your tool and let's go 72 point. And let's make our artistic text 72 points. So when I start typing with artistic text, be nice if I could type it. I'm going to get 72 points, but my parallel dimension tool is still 100, as you can see. Anyway, so just think, don't have anything selected. That's a must. And then click on your text tool, but don't click on anything. And then you can actually change it, your whatever font you want. You could make your artistic text type in that text. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.